Good morning, dear student. In our English Unit 2, Discovery and Invention here. And the second part of our unit, the names of second part is famous discovery and invention here. Discovery, we make anything new first time. We search something. And the invention. Invention means that is we make the things the first time, that is the invention. The people, the common people cannot know about these things the first time, and the scientists make the first time the research. Then after we can say that this research, the new invention, the new things, it is called the invention here. So here one story is given about the Archimedes, about a Greek scientist and what he had invented on that times here. So Archimedes, the name of Greek scientist, was a Greek scientist. He was very famous in a Greek here. He lives in Syracuse near 2000 years ago here. It is the story of 2000 years ago in a Greek here, and the place is given, that is a Syracuse. So the king of the land wanted to wear a golden crown here. It is golden crown. The king wanted here. The king of land. It means the king of Syracuse wanted to wear a golden crown in his head here. So he gave some gold to a goldsmith to make a suitable crown here. Goldsmith make the crown or make the ornaments here. Goldsmith make the ornament. So for that, here the king has lots of gold, so for that he gave some gold to a goldsmith to make a suitable crown here. After a few days, the goldsmith came with the crown to the king here. It means when the goldsmith had made a crown, so he came into the palace to give this crown to the king. But the crown was weight here. It means the crown was same weight whatever the gold was given by the king to goldsmith. So there was no doubt here arise when we hold the crown in our hand. So the crown was weight. It means it was very heavy. The weight of the crown was equal to the gold given to the goldsmith by the king. So there will be no any variation in the weight here. So the weight of the crown was equal to the gold given to the goldsmith by the king. So the king looked at the color of the crown. We know that the shining color, it means yellow color of the gold. So the king looked at the color of the crown. The king was happy here. But we know that we can added the other metal with the gold, and we can make the equal weight of that particular thing. The goldsmith here, they are added the other metal. We can make the panchma coin here by utilize the different metal altogether here. We can use the for making the vessels here, like steel and copper, we can mix and make the one single metal here. So goldsmith, what the goldsmith do here? Goldsmith usually added two or more than two metal altogether, and they do the gillets in the upper side of the any ornament. So we think this ornament is made from gold only, but it is that goldsmith know that the things are mixed with that particular thing. So there is a testimonial here how to check here the ornaments is made from the pure gold or either is made with a mix of the other metal here. So here he suspected that the goldsmith had stolen some gold here. The king has suspected the goldsmith has mixed here another metal with the gold here and made my crown. So what happened? But the king was not sure either it is true or not, because by seeing the crown, it was looked like it made from the gold here. But the king was not sure. For that, the king wanted to find out the truth. So what is the right here? It is made from the pure gold or either is mixed with the another metal here. So he asked his god scientist Archimedes to find out. So there was one there was one scientist Archimedes lives in his court. So he gave this work to Archimedes to find out the solution here. Either this crown is made from the gold or another metal is mixed with this gold. So the king said, find out how much gold has been stolen. How much gold is taken by the goldsmith here from this crown. So how to find out the truth? How to find out the truth here? So Archimedes thought about the problem day and night here. So how to find out the solution here? How we can find the solution here? So he was thinking what to do here. Archimedes thought about the problem day and night, but one day he was about to have his bath. One day he was taking his bath, and but he was busy thinking. We know that scientists are very busy for thinking one particular thing up to the solution come. They are very good thinkers of that, positive thinker of any particular matter is arise in their minds here. So he did not notice the bathtub. It means the tub that was full of water. He did not notice the water is flow from the bathtub, the overflow of bathtub. So the water in the bathtub was already full to the brim here. It means brim means the edge of the bathtub, upper portion of the bathtub here, and the water flow from the bathtub, that is brim here. So he slid into the bathtub. It means the water came down, slid down from the bathtub, overflow from the bathtub, and immediately a large quantity of water flow over the brim of the bathtub here. So the water came out from the bathtub, and he noticed this. Suddenly there was a flash in his mind, the another ideas. By seeing this incident, the good idea flash in his mind, and he jumped out of the bathtub shouting, Eureka, Eureka, Eureka. In Greek means I have found it. Here he is shouting by speaking this word, Eureka, Eureka. Eureka means in Greek, that is I have found it here. And he really find out the solution, that thus it was found that different metal of the same weight have different volume here. He has find out that the different metal of the same weight have different volume. Volume is he need the space here to occupy the space here. Any particular things require the space, that is a volume here. Suppose we can say that 1 kg 1 kg oil or ghee need the space, and we take the 1 kilo 1 kilogram cotton has the need the large parts of the volume here. Same as we take the iron rods here of 1 kg. Iron rod heavy metal, it is a heavy metal, so he need the little space, but it has 1 kg weight, and 1 kg cotton we take, so he need the large space here. So we can say that each and everything, the things that is very we can say that very easy to carry here, but it is very light here in weight. So he need the large volume, and the heavy metal like iron, gold, they need the little space, but they are very heavy in weight here. So each and every things, each and every metal have different volume. It means need the different uh, space here. Like 1 kg cotton and 1 kg iron rods need the different volume, different space here. Both the have the same weight. So here you find out that different metal of the same weight have the different volume. It means object put in water will display water here. So we put this thing anything we put here, so the things hold the place, take the space here in water, and the water will come out from the bathtub or any vessels here. So object when we put in water, so will display water. It means the water came out from that particular vessel, from particular hold of water. So the display water will be equal to their volume. So how much space, how much water came out from the bathtub or that particular vessel, whatever the space, whatever the volume require here to hold the space in that particular things by particular metal here. So the different metal has the different volume here. So Eureka here, he find out the solution here. It means goldsmith is added here the another metal with something, and whatever we see here, the crown is made from the pure gold, but it is mixed with the another metal here. So goldsmith here added the another metal, and they mix with the crown, and they do the gillet here in the upper parts of the crown. And we look, as we look here, the gold here, so the crown is made from the gold, but inside the gold they made with the another metal, they mix here. So Archimedes has find out the solution here, that the different things, different metal at the different volume. Each mean the same quantity, the same weight of two or more than two things need the different space here, different occupy space here. Okay, thank you.